friends, welcome to Tilatham.in. I am Choitali. Today I am going to show you our new stock of Begumpuri cotton collections. All these sarees are pure cotton with handloom mark. All the sarees are the hand-woven saree, and you can use for your morning occasion in your daily purpose also, your office use also. So let's see. Saree number 1. This is our first saree, Begumpuri cotton saree. It's pure cotton saree. The saree border is yellow border with the black flower motif, both side border. And the saree color is a off-white color. It's a little off-white color, and this is the pallu. Pallu is stripe. It's a black and yellow stripe on the pallu, and this is all over the saree. It's the same pattern. It's off-white with the yellow-black combination. It's a very catchy combination. It's our first saree. The saree blouse is grey. Saree blouse is grey. Saree number 1. It's if you like to purchase, just take a screenshot of the saree and send it to 7890721706. It's our WhatsApp number. This is saree number 2. Its body is pista green with the border, pink border on it, and with this pink border you can check this brown weaving work on this border. Both sides have the same border, and all over body have the Begumpuri weaving on it. This is called Begumpuri weaving. This saree is famous for its weaving. It's all the hand weaving saree. Saree number 2. All over the saree same weaving pattern on it, and this one pallu. This saree without blouse piece. This is pallu. Saree number 3. This is light peach pink color. Body color is a peach pink color. It has no Begumpuri weaving on the body part, but it has the beauty on its borders. One side border is plain small border, and one side border is this is skirt type border. So you can check the lines on it. This is the lower side border, and upper side border is the plain small border on it, and body is plain. It's a peach pink type color, and pallu is Begumpuri weaving on it. Its pallu is Begumpuri weaving on it. The weaving work is blue with a brown color on it. It's very beautiful. This is the saree look. It's saree number 3. If you like to purchase this saree, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. The WhatsApp number is 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilatham.in, and you can check the Begumpuri cotton section there, and you can order from our website. The next saree, saree number 4. This is a sea green color body, and the border is a blue, navy blue border with a temple, small temple on it. With the both side border has a small temple on it, and the body has a small buttas with blue, and the body color is sea green. This saree, body color is sea green. All over the body have the same weaving, buttas weaving on it. This saree is without blouse piece. This is the pallu. The saree price given in the screen. If you like, just take a screenshot of the saree. This is our next saree. This is saree color. Body color is dark off-white, and the border are dark pink with a small temple on it. It has a small temple on the borders. Both side border has the small temples on it, and the body has small buttas with a pink color buttas all over the body. This saree is without blouse piece, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu. It's next saree, saree number 6. The saree border is it's very beautiful border. Both sides have the 3 colors border in it. You can check the borders. It's pink with the blue black lines, and the temples weaving on the border. It 5-line border. Both sides have the 5-line borders on it. Its body color is off-white, and mainly work with the brown thread on it. Body is plain. It's very soft cotton, 100 count cotton. Its body is plain. Its beauty on its border. This is the pallu. It's pallu. This is our next saree. The same saree which I am showing the previous. This is the same saree, the body color is just different, and the colors which are you weaving, it's different. Body color is chiku color, body is chiku color on it, and the border is pink, green, yellow combination. The combination is very uncommon and very soothing. This is the saree look. All over the saree is the same plain pattern, and the border color border is using this vibrant color on it. This is pallu. The pallu is weaved with the special Begumpuri weaving. It's our next saree. It's a green combination with the orange and pink border on it. Body color is green, and the border used pink and orange, very vibrant color combination in this saree. And all over the body has the same Begumpuri weaving on it. All over the body you can see the weaving pattern is one pink and one orange line all over the body. This is the same weaving on it. And this is the pallu. It's pallu. The pallu is yellow, and the color is same orange and pink color combination with the yellow. This is the pallu, and you can check the blouse also. It's the blouse, the yellow blouse. This is the saree. This is another Begumpuri cotton. It's pure cotton. All the saree today I am showing Begumpuri cotton. All the sarees are pure cotton and handloom cotton. And this saree I will give you the handloom mark also. This is our next saree. It's brown with the pink and orange border on it. This is border design. Both sides have the same border, and the body is the panel with the orange and pink Begumpuri weaving on it. All over the saree have the same weaving pattern on it. This is the saree look. Brown, it's dark brown color body. This one pallu. Pallu is in black with the orange and the pink color on it. This is a typical Begumpuri weaving on this all over the saree as well as the pallu. It is a blouse piece. All over the stitching on it, it's orange color thread stitching all over the body, and this border has used the same design on it. This blouse, this is the full saree. This is our another saree. It's pure cotton Begumpuri, and you can check its color. Body color is grey, and the border is red with a white border on it. Fish motif, hand woven fish motif all over the borders, and body has the typical Begumpuri weaving on it. This is the saree look, and it's pallu. This is the pallu. I will show you the full look of the pallu. It's geometric weaving on the pallu. This is the pallu. This is blouse. It's blouse piece. It's white blouse. This is our next saree. It's blue Begumpuri cotton. The border is dark navy blue. It's not black. It's dark navy blue on it. And the body is all over woven with the white thread. It's a Begumpuri weaving all over the body. The body is weaving with the white thread on it, and the borders are used off-white with the dark navy blue. This is the saree, and this is the pallu. It's pallu. Pallu is also weaving with the same Begumpuri weaving on it. And it's blouse. This is the blouse. This is our next saree. It's a brown body with a red border on it. Border has used the small temple border. It's 5-line small temple border in the borders. Both sides have the same border. And body is weaving with the black, the body is weaving with the red and orange thread on it. It's Begumpuri weaving all over the body. This is the body look. blouse. This is blouse. This is the saree. People who like to purchase our sarees, just take a screenshot from this video and WhatsApp us. The WhatsApp number is 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilottamahandloom.in. And if you like our video, just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. This is another saree. This is a black with a red combination. It's all-time favorite. It's a black body and the border is red, and it has the same small temple border in the both side border, and the body has the small Bengali weaving. The deep thread color is used. It's off-white. All over have the same weaving on it. This is the side look. It's pallu. Pallu have the Bengali weaving on it. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the saree. The next saree, it has the dual tone of green and yellow color on it, and the border is a pink with a small temple on it. Both sides have the same border. It has no Begumpuri weaving on the body. It's plain body with the soft cotton. This is the Begumpuri weaving on the pallu, and you have to show this. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The stitching all over the body has a stitching on it, and the border has a temple with a pink border. This is the saree. This is the last saree of this episode. This is the white body on it, and the border is one side has the yellow border and one side is the pink border. The pink is very soothing color. It's pink color used in the border. It's very soothing color. And body has a small buttas with the pink and yellow. And it is all over have the same plain body with small buttas. It's very soft cotton. It is without blouse piece. The blouse saree is without blouse piece. This is the pallu design. The saree, the last saree of this episode. Thank you so much for watching our video till end. And if you like to purchase our sarees, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilottamahandloom.in, and you can order from our website. Shipping all over India free. And if you like to take wholesale, just call or WhatsApp the same number. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. Happy shopping with us. Bye.